Hi guys, today we are going to talk about a newly discovered Vaigai civilization. The discovery of this civilization happened when an excavation started in 2013 along the banks of Vaigai river that passes through the towns of Theni, Andipatti and Madurai cities which are located in Tamil Nadu state. In this excavation, the scripts found at Kiladi site show a remarkable similarity with the scripts that were found in Indus civilization located in the northwestern part of India. Lots of potsherds have been collected at the site, which names of people written in Tamil Brahmi script. So far, about 1,000 different marks have been found and many of the marks are similar to the Indus script. Now, let's talk about how is it a remarkable discovery. The graffiti discovered in Kiladi dates back to 580 BC and it closely resembles the Indus script. So this creates a link between Indus script and Tamil Brahmi. Among the available scripts of India, the Indus scripts are considered to be the earliest one and were 4,500 years old. It's surely a moment of pride for Tamil people, as the discovery at Kiladi had revealed the fact that their ancestors have attained literacy or learned the art of writing as early as the 6th century BC. Collected evidence also showed that people of Kiladi civilization had indulged in agriculture and cattle breeding, and the cut marks on other animals such as antelope, goat, and wild boar suggest that they were consumed. In fact, agriculture seems to be its prime occupation, being supplemented by the iron industry, carpentry, pottery making, and weaving. The occurrence of gold ornaments and other precious metals and stones indicate cultural richness and economic prosperity. Red and black pottery, groove tiles used for laying roofs, and typical flat brick, which indicates that the city unearthed belonged to the Sangam age. Some parts of excavation have revealed toilets like structures, so people must have used toilets in earlier days. This shows how civilized and hygienic our ancestors were. The existence of the game objects indicates the games and pastime activities of not only of the children but also of the elders of the ancient society. But it is to be noted that this site did not yield any objects meant for worship so far. So these findings give various perspectives in finding the oldest civilization. One view is that after the collapse of the Indus Valley civilization, the people from there must have moved to the south and have settled here. While there is a contrary view which says that the Vaigai River civilization must have been the ancestor one from which a part of people has migrated to the north. Now, for us, whichever civilization gets proved to be the oldest, we have a silver lining in there. That in the end, it is going to represent our country, India. Please share your thoughts about this newly discovered civilization in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the regular updates. Thank you.